and shaping these future doctors. Teresa Snow shows us how they're being honored.
Focus on Your Health is sponsored by MU Healthcare.
Patients can often be some of the greatest teachers, giving medical students lessons in everything from family and faith to communication and courage. This may look like a normal luncheon, but Ash Sampath and Steve Douglas are far more than mealtime companions.
We've been through a lot together, actually.
Ash is a medical student, and he met Steve shortly after he was diagnosed with Parkinson's. The two have been learning about the disease together. Ash even helped Steve start a boxing therapy program, and Steve has taught the medical student about compassion and courage.
I think the personal interest he has in us is important. I think it's important in any doctor's practice, and he's certainly shown that.
Whether young or old, most patients don't realize the impact they have on future doctors. But the University of Missouri School of Medicine calls these patients legacy teachers, recognizing them at an event each spring.
The Legacy Teachers Program is an opportunity for third-year medical students to recognize the patients that they have worked with that have really taught them how to be a better doctor.
It's been a Columbia tradition for 14 years. Now other medical schools are taking notice.
I think when people experience it, they're like, well, why haven't we done this all along? Everybody should be doing this, and it would be a long-time goal of mine to see it in every medical school in the country.
The Springfield Clinical Campus held its first Legacy Teachers Luncheon this year, and it's been adopted by at least 6 other schools. For students like Ash, the lessons extend far beyond this luncheon.
Anyone can learn the information, but it's how you treat people that defines you.
Wisdom they'll carry into their future careers. Joining me now is Dr. Betsy Garrett, Professor Emerita of Family and Community Medicine at the MU School of Medicine. Tell me, where did the idea for the Legacy Teachers Program come from?
We've had a commitment to patient-centered care here for many years. We want our graduates to practice patient-centered medicine that is compassionate and empathetic and considers the whole person. In 2003, a small group of experienced physicians got together to consider how could we bring this more into focus for our students, and we realized that we had had legacy teachers throughout our careers and that we wished we could have gone back as early medical students and had a way to say thank you.
What a great idea. Is there a typical legacy teacher, a patient?
No, they come in all shapes and sizes and ages. We've had them from infants to people in the later years of their life, and even folks who have passed while they've been in the hospital setting. Our students learn from everyone.
It's good to know that the learning goes both ways, from teacher to student and patient to student.
Absolutely.
As well. Thank you very much, Dr. Betsy Garrett. And with Focus on Your Health, I'm Teresa Snow.
Focus on Your Health has been sponsored by MU Health.